From the time the human race was young, there's been a constant search by man for a place to shelter himself, a place where he could raise a family and build a secure future. As of today, nothing has changed. What has changed is the face of home, and not to mention the face of the people who have been building quality homes. The people you have come to know and trust. Neelkant Group. The story of the Neelkant Group begins in 1938 when the father of the group, Shri Velji Harka Patel, made a foray into the construction business and laid the foundation for what has come to be recognized as a quality construction company. The Neelkant story is one that upholds the immortal values of belief, ethics and standards. The story is waiting to be told. From the very beginning, Shri Velji Harka Patel, the founder of the Neelkant Group, was very clear that in order to succeed in business, it is paramount to be clear about things like quality, which is predominantly what the customer wants, pays for, and what will always make him come back.
We give primary importance to the customers. Each and every project is designed to match the site condition. We make what customer wants.
Strongly believing in the adage that what drives a product's design is its function, Neelkant has always endeavored to live by that motto.
When we shifted here, I was looking out for the right kind of ambience, and this had the children's park, the swimming pool and the health club facility.
The foundation for the Neelkant Group was laid. Now it was only a matter of time before that foundation was built on by the present Neelkant Group generation. It was their turn to make that rich legacy the platform for an illustrious present. The Neelkant Group saga continues, a saga of excellence, skilled teamwork and corporate supremacy.
Investors have been the Neelkant Group's backbone, almost as important as our customer, and we owe our success to them in more ways than one.
Neelkant Group has often depended upon private investors to fund land purchases and construction costs. For the past 3 decades, the investor base has remained almost unchanged and the group has always given substantial returns.
We as investors always look at safety first and then profit. When we invest in Neelkant, we get both. I would like to continue being an investor in Neelkant Group for a long time to come.
There have been times when, due to sudden changes in market conditions, Neelkant has actually returned investors' money instead of either keeping it or risk losing it. In fact, one important reason why investors find Neelkant a safe investment is because of their uncanny ability to finish projects on time.
We constantly upgrade the construction technologies and improve the specifications on a regular basis to meet the changing demands of the customer.
All materials such as cement, steel, marble is purchased directly from top manufacturers such as Gujarat Ambuja, Tata Steel, SAIL, etc. While using these in construction, Neelkant has on-site lab testing facilities to check the quality of all materials used. No materials are used until jointly approved by architect and engineer.
Neelkant has always been pioneers in architecture design and technology. They always ensure the highest quality and can be depended upon to maintain the highest standards.
After the Latur earthquake in the month of September 1993, the BMC made it mandatory for all buildings in Mumbai to be earthquake resistant. But Neelkant has been making earthquake-resistant buildings that can withstand great amount of shock all the way since 1982. Their foresight in their commitment to quality and safety was proven.
Nilkant Group believes in asset-light strategy. We do not own any heavy industrial machinery, cement plant, or more than a small number of highly qualified engineers. Such a strategy makes us a highly efficient organization.
This strategy helps Nilkant give its total attention to other issues like land purchase, financing, building design and sales. Even the actual construction work is outsourced to a limited group of contractors who have been constructing buildings for Nilkant for decades. The relationship between these contractors and Nilkant is appropriately forged in concrete.
Nilkant's construction is consistent and highly efficient. These qualities have enabled us to partner with large blue chip corporates like Reliance Industries and Gammon India.
Two of India's biggest corporate entities, Reliance and Gammon, one of the largest infrastructure development companies in India, have partnered Nilkant in projects that are considered landmarks in Mumbai, the commercial complex Fortune 2000 and lands belonging to Shakti Mills and API.
Our association with Nilkant Group goes back several years. Nilkant is a customer-friendly organization and a professionally managed group. They take care of all aspects of business, including legal and technical. Nilkant is an organization of high integrity that commands a reputation in the market for over 6 decades.
Nilkant's emphasis has always been on building modern lifestyle projects with all amenities to provide a satisfying lifestyle for all its residents, all at an affordable price. And that is exactly what Nilkant still strives towards. In the Nilkant Heights project in Thane, they have provided a modern clubhouse, an open-air amphitheatre and have included the cost in the apartment cost price and have given free lifetime maintenance to all residents.
Things are very nice and it goes on very smooth, so we are pretty happy.
I would definitely recommend this project to anybody.
The past has passed. The present will pass too. The only thing that will matter is what future they brought about. The past has been illustrious. The present is encouraging, which only means that there is more to come, more to expect in the future.
Based on our own experience and what we've heard from the market, we found Nilkant Group to be a group which has delivered projects on time. The quality of construction has been good and the after-sales service on those projects have been very good.
Nilkant gives every customer a lifetime guarantee on the quality of construction, and in the rare case of any problem, an efficient after-sales cell takes care of it immediately. Nilkant's customers have absolute trust and confidence in the group's abilities, and in their 3 latest residential projects in Ghatkopar, almost 50% of the customers are either repeat buyers or were referred to by existing Nilkant residents.
When I was giving my money, I decided that give it to a man who is of repute and who is having a stature where it is respected.
The Nilkant Group, which started so modestly, has today become the beacon of hope for investors and customers alike. It represents the changing face of the building industry and the better times in store for all of you. As a buyer, you look at a home as more than just 4 walls and a ceiling. And Nilkant Group understands that and wants to create a lifetime asset for you. By virtue of its understanding, you can only stand to gain. So keep in mind that for a better future and a better lifestyle, trust only the Nilkant Group.